All right, what about the workplace? The project failed because the team didn't execute. Communication broke down because no one told me. This season, it's just been crazy, right? How many of you have been in a crazy season your whole life? By the way, if it's more than just a literal 2 to 3 month season, the seasons become life. I would have finished, but I was waiting on them. Now, there could be some truth to all that, right? You're waiting on somebody. You didn't know something because somebody didn't communicate to you. But ultimately speaking, what could have you done? You could have been proactive in your communication, right? You could have called upon, hey, when's this project going to be done? Again, I know some of you are thinking, some of you are putting some things together. I'm like, maybe, just maybe. It's not about necessarily them being fully wrong. They may be a little bit right. But you're responsible with how you react.